Hello my loves, it's Kasia Plannerista 101. I have new stickers from Calvaplan to show you guys. I have the weekly florals, sheets edition. I have natural boxes and florals. Brilliant blooms, it's 2025 planner set. So this one matches a planner. I did not get a planner. And then this is Fierce Plans, which is also a part of her 2025 planner set. So I will go through them and show you what they look like. Here we go. So we start with this page. So the first page has bullet points, boxes, longer boxes, checklists, more checklists, bullet points, headers, so all sorts of stuff. And then you have flowers. So this functional page will stay the same, the colors will change. By the way, look at these flowers. I love this color. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through these. Look at this yellow and green. If this is your first time joining, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thanks for spending more time with me. So these are very like delicate and pale. So we're gonna go like, look at this. I love this too. So these are on paper, and I do love my stickers on paper, you guys. Okay, look at that. That's like 4th of July vibes. Beautiful, right? And we have this purple, pink and green. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. Look at that. That's very like fall. This is more fall too. Yeah, this is awesome. And very winter-like. So yeah, and then there's quotes. So you get 2 pages of quotes. And then you get headers. And then you get 2 pages of headers. Yeah, 2 pages of headers. So that's the first one. It's weekly florals sheet edition. I do use the daily florals. So if you guys have seen my videos lately, you probably have seen that. Okay, next up is this Natural Boxes and Florals by Calvaplan. So I already have this book, but I loved these neutral pages so much. I purchased a second one when I was purchasing this. So I will show you again. Like, look at this. I am obsessed with this page. There was like so many pages I was obsessed with. So again, functional boxes, bullet points, checklists, and then you get flowers. And you get 2 sheets of flowers for every functional page. Look at this, like super wedding-like. Then this one, I really like all of these neutrals. And then you have this. Look at this. Yeah, so there was a lot of these when I was flipping through that I really liked. So I decided to get more. Look at this. Isn't it stunning? And then we have this. And this. And then last set. You flip. My book is trying to close on me. And this is the last 2 pages. Okay, so that is all for the neutral boxes and florals. I did a quick flip through as I did this not too long ago. And now onto the 2 new books. So this is 1074 stickers. I don't even know how many sheets, but I think it's like 40 sheets, she said. Let's take a look. So again, functional page, you have full boxes, journaling boxes, smaller boxes, and all of them correspond to the flowers behind this. And there's 2 pages of flowers for each of the functional box, functional sheet. So okay, and then you have pink. Look at that. Wow, so vibrant. And these are on clear. So all of the florals are on clear, and this is on paper. Look at these. I really like these as well. And they do correspond to the dividers that Calva Plan has for her planner next year. Look at these. Awesome. They are gorgeous. Okay, that page just came out. It's okay. That. Very summer-like, so I think we're encroaching on summer here. Look at that. Navy, yellow, pinks, dark blues. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. And then we have oranges and grays and pinks. Also beautiful. So just so you guys know, I did not flip through this without you guys. So I am seeing this for the first time just like you. I just unpackaged that because my address was in there and I didn't want to share that for obvious reasons. Anyway, so here we go. Purple. Now this one, wow, pink and purple. Very cool. Red, yellow, orange, green. Oh, okay. Very fall, very bright, almost fiery. These are very cute too. These can be actually for any season, which is awesome. And then look at these. Very, very cool. And then you have little ones to fill in your blanks. So you have blue, the pinks, like all of them. That is awesome. So you get 2 pages of those. And then currently planning, cooking, grateful for. Okay. So it's cooking, planning, dreaming, feeling, believing, crafting, reading, watching, grateful for, working towards, drinking, eating, celebrating, listening to, saving for, looking forward to. And then you have cooking. Yeah, so same thing. Awesome. That was a very awesome idea to put this in. And now, this one was the one I was looking towards the most. I love adding little things like this to my planner. I think it elevates it so much. So we have different designs here. I'll show you. Look at that. So these are on paper. Look at this. These are almost like rocks. That is so cool. Look at that. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, I really like these patterns that she has created. I think they're going to be very great addition to planners. Look at that. Look at this. Great leopard. Yeah, if you like patterns like I do, then this sticker book will be fantastic for you. Okay, and then you get alphabet with the same, like with, okay, so these are the patterns, and then you get more patterns. And then you get currentlies. So same thing like in the other book. And then you get boxes, you guys. Look at that. So this is a very, very neutral book. So if you're creating a very neutral spread, this will work quite awesome. And she even included the monthly boxes in here, which is great. And that's all I have for you guys. Let me know if you have your favorite book. I think this weekly floral is still my favorite book. So thanks for watching and have a great day.